This is a quick review of the Snader honing guide. I can't put an edge on any knives or tools, so I picked this thing up to try to help sharpen my chisels. So I'm going to start out by just trying to put an edge on really a no-name brand old chisel. Obviously it's seen better days. We'll start by just trying to see how it works before we do anything. As you can see, it's not working very well, and it'll probably cause more damage than good. So we're going to use this guide. What I will say is there's no directions, so I was not sure if I was supposed to put this in this upper level or this lower level. What I figured out is if you put it in the lower level for this chisel, and I push it in as far as I can go for the handle, that will give me about the right angle. It's a hair off, but that might be because the chisel itself has been worn out. So I've been working on this thing for, I don't know, 90 seconds maybe a minute. What I did notice is that, you know, I'm only able to use part of the stone, and since I paid for the whole stone, I'll turn it around this way to get working on this. And it is working. Once again, this chisel probably has never ever been sharpened, and so it's going to require work, so I'm not holding this against, and there is a burr building on the back side, which is a good thing. Okay, so after a few minutes, I do have an edge. You can see it's a little bit uneven, but I think once again it's because the chisel's never been sharpened, and it did put an edge on. It feels good. Let's see how it works now. Now it's taking these deep gouges, and I'm not even trying. So with everything said and done, and considering that I can't put an edge on a chisel before, I highly recommend this sharpening guide.